Hello everyone. In this guide, we'll learn how to sign up with the Bitget mobile app and how to set up all authentication. Let's get started right away. First, I will show you how to create a Bitget account. Please download the Bitget application on your smartphone. After the download is complete, open the Bitget application. To start the registration process, tap Get Started. You can register using either your email address or your mobile phone number. Next, tap the referral code input field. If you enter the referral code *3, you can get 50% off transaction fees, 20% cashback benefits, and additional promotional bonuses. Now check all of the required agreement boxes below. For the second agreement, please scroll down to review the details. Then tap Next. Follow the sequence of icons displayed in the top left corner. Then select the matching images shown on the screen. A verification code will be sent to your registered email address or phone number. Enter the verification code you received. Next, create a password for your account. Your password must include uppercase letters, lowercase letters, and numbers, and it should be at least 8 characters long. After completing all these steps, your account registration will be finished successfully. Now, let's move on to the identity verification process. Identity verification is necessary to deposit, withdraw, and trade on Bitget. So please make sure to complete this step. Tap the Verify button located in the middle of the screen. Then select Verify Now again. First, choose your nationality. After that, select the country or region where you currently live. Next, choose the type of identification document you plan to submit. From the list provided, select the ID you currently have. For this demonstration, I will select a passport. Prepare your ID and tap I'm ready. To upload your document, tap Take a picture. Place the information page of your passport inside the frame. Next, proceed with facial recognition to confirm your identity. Position your face inside the camera frame. Then follow the instructions, such as nodding your head or blinking your eyes. Once these steps are completed, the identity verification process will be finished. The review process usually takes up to 1 hour. Once the approval is completed, your account status will appear as verified. Next, we will configure Google Authenticator to enhance your account security. Go back to the main home screen. Tap the profile icon located in the top left corner. Then press the arrow icon shown in the upper right corner. To manage your security settings, open the Security section. From the available options, select Google Authenticator. A message will appear asking you to install the Google Authenticator application. Install the Google Authenticator app on your smartphone. Once the installation is finished, tap Next in the Bitget application. The Google Authenticator setup screen will now be displayed. On this screen, you will see a 16-digit Bitget setup key. First, copy this 16-digit key. Next, open the Google Authenticator app. Tap the plus icon located in the bottom right corner. Then choose Enter a setup key. For the code name, enter Bitget. After that, paste the copied 16-digit key into your key field. Tap Add. A 6-digit verification code labeled Bitget will now appear. Copy this 6-digit verification code. Then return to the Bitget application. Enter the code in the Google Authenticator verification field. Once the code is verified, the Google Authenticator setup will be completed. Today, we learned how to sign up and set up authentication based on the latest version of the Bitget mobile app in 2026. If you run into any problems or have additional questions while following the steps, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you very much for watching.